Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the edge panels color on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, you want to go down and tap on displayed, then go down and tap on edge panels. In here, we're going to tap on handle. In the style section, you want to tap on the color that you would like to change. At the moment, you can see it is orange. So if I try to, so while we are in these settings, we cannot use the edge panels. So we have to select a color. In here, we can choose red, green, blue, purple, and so on. Now you can also tap on the color chooser in this color palette, so you can choose one of the colors and then tap on done, and that's it. So now we have successfully changed the color. Now you can see there is also an arrow next to the edge panel, so you can tap on that to drag up and down as well. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to return to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.